Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Figma design. Let's create random effect using Shape Builder tool, online vector graphic editor and prototyping tool. Pick the page background color from the custom color palette. Draw rectangle 1000 by 1000, 900 by 900, 800 by 800, 700 by 700 and 600 by 600. Use stroke and remove fill, use full border radius. By pulling radius pointers. Right-click group selection and rotate plus 45 degrees and minus 45 degrees angles, as shown in the scene. Select object, right-click and flatten them. Select all and go to Shape Builder tool. Press shortcut key equals M, click on object and create shapes. To deselect, Alt plus click. Select the object. Right-click and split vector. Select each section, go to Fill and remove stroke. Select each object and apply colors from the swatches. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.